The open roads of Texas stretch out with a promise of adventure. But before you hit the road, there's something you can't forget: car insurance. Finding affordable auto insurance in any state can be a challenge, and Texas is no different. It can be difficult to navigate your options, and you may end up paying more for coverage than you need to. Texas, being the large, popular state it is, has hundreds of insurance providers offering coverage across the state, which makes your decision even harder. But don't worry, in this update, we've got your back. We're here to list the best car insurance companies in Texas. By the end of this video, you'll know which insurance company is best fit to be your armor on Texas roadways. You're going to want to stay tuned till the end of this video. It's packed with must-know insider secrets for how to lower your insurance bills and unlock discounts on Texas coverage. When you're ready to shop for coverage, make sure you start with step number 1. Go to FreeAdvice.com and use the free quote generator tool to compare the lowest car insurance quotes from the best companies in your zip code. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in to find the best Texas insurance companies. But first, we need to start with the car insurance requirements in the Lone Star State. Texas law doesn't mess around when it comes to making sure drivers are covered on the road. They've set minimum insurance requirements that every Texan must meet. According to Texas car insurance requirements, drivers must carry a minimum of $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident, and at least $25,000 for property damage. In short, this is called 30-60-25. But remember, this is just the bare minimum. While these amounts might mean you are legally driving in Texas, these minimums could leave you paying thousands of dollars out of pocket after an accident. Ensuring you're covered isn't just about meeting the legal requirements, it's about being financially prepared for the unexpected. When you're ready to find the perfect insurance that suits your needs and budget, visit FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code in our free quote tool, and you'll instantly get a list of options from top-rated insurance providers near you. Comparing quotes is the only way to ensure you're getting the best deal. Okay, let's dive into the heart of the Lone Star State's car insurance scene. We've done the legwork, digging through over 25 auto insurers in Texas to pinpoint the cream of the crop. Here's the breakdown of the best car insurance companies in Texas, with Amica, Nationwide, Progressive, and State Farm leading the way. Let's talk about Amica Car Insurance, one of the top contenders in the Texas insurance game. The company offers fantastic discounts that boost your savings and a convenient mobile app for policy management and claims. While Amica's ease of use falls slightly below average, the company's strengths outweigh this minor drawback. Amica excels in customer satisfaction with few consumer complaints, a testament to its excellent service. In the latest J.D. Power U.S. Property Claim Satisfaction Study, Amica has once again claimed the top spot, marking its 11th award for claim satisfaction. Amica excelled in all 5 study categories: first notice of loss, estimation process, repair process, claim servicing, and settlement. So if you're all about consumer satisfaction, Amica might be your go-to choice. But to get a free personalized insurance quote, go to FreeAdvice.com. Use our tool to compare rates and coverage options with ease. Now let's shift our focus to Nationwide, another top contender for Texas car insurance. Nationwide's car insurance in Texas packs a punch with diverse coverage options to customize your policy. The company excels in having an easy claims process, ensuring a smooth insurance experience. And where they really shine is customer satisfaction. Nationwide has fewer complaints to state regulators than you'd expect for a company its size. Now, Texan drivers, take note. Nationwide also offers accident forgiveness and loss of use coverage, a true lifesaver if your car can't be driven due to a covered claim. And if you're a fan of savings, who isn't, Nationwide's got you covered with a wide range of discounts, including multi-vehicle savings, automatic payment perks, and rewards for being accident-free. And don't forget their Smart Ride program, granting an immediate discount for safe driving and lower mileage. If you're ready to explore the best coverage options for you, head over to FreeAdvice.com today. Use our free quote tool to find the perfect Texas insurance for you. Next up is Progressive, a major player in the Texas car insurance scene. Progressive is a reliable auto insurance provider in Texas with a strong history in the game. Policyholders have access to a wide range of car insurance options with Progressive, and they aren't stingy when it comes to savings and coverage provided. The company has plenty of discounts waiting for you, including perks like pet injury protection and a deductible savings bank. In fact, that savings bank shaves $50 off your collision and comprehensive deductible for every policy period without a driving violation or filed claim. Progressive also offers discounts for paying your policy in full, insuring multiple cars, and getting a quote online. Plus, if you're okay with having your driving monitored, Progressive's Snapshot program can help you save even more. To see if Progressive is the best choice for you, start with customized quotes based on your location and vehicle. Head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code, and our free quote generator will show you the lowest rates you have to choose from. Now let's steer our attention to State Farm, a viable company on our Texas car insurance list. State Farm is another powerful leader in the Texas insurance market, and here are a few reasons you should consider them. State Farm is no slouch when it comes to offering discounts and perks, although the discount selection is average. But what sets them apart is their customer-centered approach, which is above par. State Farm reigns supreme as they've topped the J.D. Power Auto Claim Satisfaction Study for an impressive 4 years straight. But it doesn't stop there. State Farm goes the extra mile with a variety of coverage options. For instance, the company offers car rental and travel expense coverage. Still unsure if State Farm car insurance is the perfect match for you? Then skip the guesswork. Get free tailored Texas auto insurance quotes at FreeAdvice.com today. Use our free quote search tool, enter your zip code, and compare rates tailored to your unique needs and budget. Find your perfect coverage with FreeAdvice.com today. Okay, now it's time to cover the 5th car insurance provider in our spotlight today, Allstate. Allstate is a giant in the industry, and there's a good reason for that. With Allstate car insurance, policyholders have access to excellent discount opportunities. You can save by bundling your auto insurance with another policy, insuring a new car, or signing up for a new policy at least a week before it kicks in. That's not all. Allstate also shines in customer satisfaction. In fact, it ranked 5th in the nation in the most recent J.D. Power U.S. Auto Claim Satisfaction Study. Allstate offers 2 usage-based driving programs. You can choose to do pay per mile with their MileWise program, or you can do cash back for safe driving using their DriveWise app. So when it comes to car insurance in Texas, Allstate is a top company to consider. But before you seal the deal with Allstate, make sure you're getting the best deal possible. Head over to FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from multiple insurers by using our free, easy-to-use insurance quote tool. It's important for you to know the factors that will drastically increase or decrease your car insurance rates in Texas. A main factor is the vehicle you drive. The myth that newer cars are pricier to insure is almost never true. In fact, new vehicles have safety features that will usually lower your premiums. Next, determine the coverage you need. Texas law mandates a minimum of $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident, and $25,000 for property damage coverage. But you should consider increasing those limits for more protection. And don't forget to factor in the discounts. For example, many insurers offer hefty discounts if you use their driver monitoring apps or devices, saving you 30% or more. And bundling your policies can get you a 15 to 25% discount. When insurance shopping, always start with step number 1. Compare quotes. Find the lowest rates using FreeAdvice.com. Use our free quote tool to find and compare the most affordable car insurance in your area. All right, folks, that wraps up our summary of the best car insurance companies in Texas. Remember, finding the right insurance is all about getting the coverage you need at the best price possible. That's where FreeAdvice.com comes in. Head over to our website, and with just a few clicks, you can get customized quotes, compare rates, and explore options from the top providers in Texas. No more insurance shopping headaches, just easy savings. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button. And you'll want to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and insider secrets. While you're there, be sure to check out our video on the top 12 factors that impact your car insurance rates. It's packed with useful tips on how to save at least 15% on your auto insurance. Sharing with a friend or family member could save them hundreds of dollars this year. Think of how grateful they will be. Please let us know in the comments below if you've had any experience with one of the insurers we mentioned today. Would you suggest them to someone else, or do you have some complaints? We'd love to hear, whether it's a story of exceptional service or unexpected fees. Maybe you found a lesser-known insurance provider that's a hidden gem for Texas drivers. Your experience is valuable to others. If you know someone who's shopping for a new car insurance policy in Texas, share this video with them. It might help them find their perfect match. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.